What Mliswa is doing today is not new. It is a tired rerun of a political script authored by Robert Mugabe and his twilight years. A script designed to isolate, discredit, and ultimately eliminate perceived rivals within ZANU-PF. Back then, the targets were Emmerson Mnangagwa and his Lacoste allies, the actors Sarama Walker, Madi Tawepi Chimene, and Kudzana Chipanga. The outcome, a spectacular failure. Sarabida Mashuka Rubuda Pangwa Ine, Achibomsaru Wajir later. Zviruitika right now. Matanidza tsanana Temba Mliswa on VP Constantino Chiwenga. Azidi zvakamboitika panguva yana Mugabe. But chiona at the end result. Hapana zvazvakaita, hapana zvazvakashanda. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Today, the roles have been reshuffled. Mnangagwa once the hunted is now the hunter. The target is Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, the actors Temba Mliswa and Asi Lobumba, two women whose political relevance is increasingly tethered to the whims of Mnangagwa's millions cabal. This is not analysis. It is a coordinated smear campaign dressed up as whistleblowing. The so-called leaked documents being paraded by Mliswa are not revelations, they are fabrications strategically planted to discredit General Chiwenga and George Charamba, who are now viewed as expandable within the ruling party's shifting power matrix. But here is what many fail to understand. A general is always a general. The military as an institution does not take kindly to being undermined, especially by civilians who treat the constitution as a disposable pamphlet. Mnangagwa's attempt to sideline General Chiwenga is not just a political miscalculation, it is a constitutional provocation. The military will not fold its arms while the constitution is urinated on. They will not watch silently as a sitting vice president is hounded out of office through backdoor propaganda and factional theatrics. Something is coming, and it will not be a press conference. The use of Lumumba and Mliswa as attack dogs is a classic diversion tactic. It allows Mnangagwa's faction to wage war without fingerprints, but the pattern is too familiar. The public has seen this movie before, and they know how it ends. If Mnangagwa believes he can rewrite the constitution to suit his succession preferences, he is mistaken. Zimbabwe is not a personal estate. The presidency is not a family heirloom, and the military is not a spectator in the theater of national governance. The real question is not whether Chiwenga will respond, it is how and when. Mashuka nobuda nyoko panguva ine zvinzi aiwa vemauto havangangoregi mumwe wavo panguva ino achitritwa zvaari kuitwa izvi. Tuze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakuvonesa kuchemedu, subscribe or like, achidonga bell icon.